Driver is backing under the trailer. Driver's going to hook up his air and electric to the neck of the trailer. Now put air to the trailer.
All hooked up, down, start your pony motor. Over the race, lift cylinders, raise your gooseneck up. Pressure blocks here, pull them in. Settings, set your ride height. Down, you're all hooked up, ready to go here.
Transportation
mode.
Now we'll lower it and detach the trailer, or detach the neck.
Pressure blocks out. In here, pull your pin lock out. You have to raise your pressure blocks before the pin lock. Cut your air off. Up your air lines. Lay your trailer down. Down so you have a little bit of clearance on the bottom of your picking eyes. Over your frame support. Run your frame support down. And we're ready to pull away from the trailer.
Now the trailer's ready to put down the ramps and load your equipment. Now the driver will reattach the neck.
Take it back up again and down. Push your lock pin in. And we're going to back up to the trailer.
jack up.
Raise the frame jack back up.